Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, Pensacola Bay area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay area, waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Pensacola Bay to 16 nautical miles southwest of Oriskany Reef to 48 nautical miles south of Perdido Pass, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Mary Esther, Fort Walton Beach, Big Lagoon, Pensacola Beach, Highway 331 Bridge, Pensacola Pass, Shalimar, Destin, Fort Pickens, and Okaloosa Pier. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Florida and the adjacent coastal waters. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi.